This video shows how to play YouTube in Tesla while driving. All we need is only an Android phone, with the Tesla Display app installed. First, we open YouTube and choose a video we like. Click the share button, choose copy link. Then we open the Tesla Display app, we click the start button, choose video from internet. Paste the YouTube video link and submit. After a while, the app starts casting the video. Then we turn to Tesla's touchscreen. Please make sure that the Tesla is connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the phone. In web browser, we access https://td7.cc. We can see the YouTube video in Tesla's browser. The video can keep playing even when you start driving. You can install the app using the links below this video. The app is free,